Hello and aloha. We're here at the Whaler Village, and I guess we're gonna cruise around here, see what they have in there. Right there, the expert in shopping.
Aloha!
All
Tara!
right.
Mag-explore tayo na sa Whalers Village tayo. I will show you where the beach and the shop area. Aloha! Welcome to my channel.
Did you get the parking?
I have it in my purse.
Ano ba? No. Use the bathroom. I'm gonna use the bathroom though.
Oh, right here. You can go
Over here.
bathroom down this side.
There's
Where?
restroom there.
You still need to
Oh, you know
go
where the
up.
bathroom's there? You know?
Hmm?
Yeah.
You gonna go bathroom first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the bathroom down there.
There's bathroom over there.
Yeah, this is the ABC in our left hand side.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we'll see down there. We get bathroom that side.
All right.
Okay, let's keep going. We can go that side.
Yan na yung paborito mo.
Right
Torre Richard.
there, the Torre Richard. And beside the Torre Richard is right there. It's Johnny Wash. Look at that.
Where's the restroom?
It's down there, Daddy.
Oh, that's it.
We get down there too. If you
Down
want to
there
go
too?
there.
Where's that?
This is for the kitchen, and down there there's a.
Oh,
And that side is the Ono, Lululemon, Gelato. Oh, this is the Lily. Okay, you gonna go bathroom, then
yeah.
we can
You gotta go
go.
downstairs?
I'll come with you down there.
Okay, let's go.
Then we'll come up. Yeah.
Excuse me. Right there. Perfect. Yo, babe. Hawakan mo to. That's on right now. Just take a look. Alright, let's go.
Can I go for rocks?
Okay. Okay, G. Model now. Tomorrow, G.
Okay. The Maui cookies.
Honolulu
You
cookies.
should put me in the Maui, the Honolulu cookies.
Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Sure. Oh. Alright, perfect.
Oh, it's a flip flop now. Kasi wala na pala, nag-close na.
Alin?
Iba na,
Ano dati ito?
hindi na cracks. Dati nun
Oh,
cracks.
Crocs
to.
to dati.
Yeah. Tignan natin kung may ano pa sila.
I don't know if I'm allowed now.
Hi, aloha. Oh. Close na yung tracks natin, ano? Wala
Smells good.
na. Mm. Oh, but anyway, it's nice. It's flip-flop shop. Was that okay? It's just nagdo-document lang for the channel. Filipina, right? Thank you. Meron kasi akong Crocs na wallet na maliit na shoes. So sabi ko, I wanna get the partner. Pero ano, busy for work. We don't know. Oo. So, that's good to know. Pero some ano pa rin. Ang cute ng Hello Kitty dito. Teka, mag-look around lang. See that? Look at this. There. Ito yung ano
What's that?
yung Crocs.
Oh,
Kaso, it's not like what I have.
I see.
This is the one like for real. It's cute, yeah. Look, and this one. Let me see how much. Is 55. Look. Ito, ang cute ng pangbata, oh. Cute talaga ng pambata. This is $60.
50.
60 plus tax.
Expensive.
Yeah, it's really expensive. This is the Crocs for the kids, let's say. Young kids. Look. Yeah. And right there, the Crocs. This is good for my Cebu walking.
Focus. Mami Crocs na.
Yeah, this is good for Cebu walking, Daddy.
Adi kasi yan eh.
Remember I have that.
Marabay na ate Crocs.
Let me see. This one is
Yeah.
good. I like this one. This is
55.
this is 95, Daddy.
$95.
This is 95.
Oh, yeah, that's expensive.
Did I have the pink? But this one I really like this. It's soft, Daddy.
Yeah.
It's just soft.
Ufos.
Fuko.
Manglisan eh. Paborito eh.
Kasi wala na talaga. Ito na lang meron sila.
Hello Kitty.
This is $60.
60? Pang-ubi na lang.
Yeah.
After 6 months, hindi na magagamit yan.
Yeah. You can make it your souvenir. It's 60. When she grow up, then it's gonna be your keepsake.
Yeah.
$60. That's how it is.
Okay, let's move on to the next
All
one.
right. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, they have good art. What does it say?
Wanna go there?
Good art. They have good art too.
Oh yeah, right here. Here, get this.
landing.
Yeah.
Let's go out of it.
Nag-close na. Last January. Good thing I
Same,
have this
same
remembrance.
owner or?
No. I think they sell.
No.
Kaya pala sinasabi nila nun.
Malaylay ati Grassman na.
I know.
Ano mo Cebuan na?
Ano. Can we go in this one? It's Koa Wood Ranch. Wanna go in? Thank you. Wow, we get this. Kaya lang Hi, Filipina? No, not really, because my husband also.
Okay.
You Filipina? Oh, ang gandang pang Cebu ito.
Opo. Hindi ka mukhang Filipino.
I am. Oh, tama ka. Kasi akala nila Vietnamese ako. Hindi, tumitingin kasi ako ng pang Cebu. Pang Cebu outfit.
Salamat po.
Tara!
Maganda po yung i-try niyo.
Magandang tulog.
Ganda po ng flowing niya. Short.
Kasi yung nasa story,
Ano Cebu ka po?
papunta ng Cebu. Pero hindi ako Cebuana.
Ano ka po?
Pilipina, Ilocos Norte. From Ilocos Norte ako. Wow.
Auntie.
Win balasang ko.
Kahit may try.
Maganda, ang ganda
Opo,
nga.
maganda po siya summer dress. Kakauwi ko lang sa Pilipinas.
Saan ka pumunta doon? Hindi ka nag-explore? Hindi ka pumunta ng sa Visayan?
Ano, pumunta kami ng Boracay kasi taga-traffic yung kami. Tapos nag-Ilocos kami. Mga ano lang, 1 week lang. Tapos nag-Hong Kong, Singapore.
So pumunta ka dun sa underwater na sa Louis Vuitton.
Doon.
Oo.
Sa Singapore ba
Sa Singapore yun.
Magpapa-stamp sana ako ng passport ko kasi hindi na sila nagpapay.
Oo, wala na. Hindi nakagaya nun.
Discontinue lang sa Hong Kong lang.
Pero at least meron kang stamp sa Hong Kong.
O sayang, gusto ko pa naman yung yung Merlion.
Ganun. Gusto ko talaga to.
Try mo, para tignan mo kung bagay.
So may discount na dito.
Ano yun?
At least,
Ay, no.
okay lang. Hindi may kamay na din ako. Oo, taga dito ako. Kala mo turist ako, no?
Gusto ko ka. Na parang hindi din siya nag-work sa sa bata.
Gano'n.
Akala ko hindi din siya Filipino pero
Nag-ano lang kasi kami, explore para sa channel. Oo, three times kami umuwi ng asawa ko. Philippines. Kaya may time lang kami ngayon, kaya mag-explore. Papakita lang namin dun sa beach. Dito kasi ito yung tourist place natin. Trabaho ako ng haya.
medyo kakawig pa yung mom.
Yung mami mo? Sino ba mami mo?
Pero she passed away last year.
Really? Oh. Kaya nila ako napagkakamalang eh. Bakit naman kaya ka umuwi?
Kasi 1 year na doon na siya sa Pilipinas. Cute na sa lapit ko lang. So yung ano pa yun.
Subscribe sa channel namin din. Sa YouTube, di ba nanonood ka sa YouTube?
Ganyan yung mata ko naman kapag hindi hindi siya ano. Pumayat siya kasi nagkasakit siya.
Parang may kakawig din. Nakatira dun sa, sa ranch dun sa upcountry.
Really?
Mm-mm.
Kahawig mo siya.
Bisaya siya.
Oo, kahawig mo nga
Oo
siya.
nga, alam